Hey guys, what is up? Today's video will show you how to download Google Chrome on Mac. Are you looking for a quick and easy guide to download Google Chrome on your Mac? Stay tuned because this video is for you. Okay, first thing you need to do is open Safari, which is the default browser of any Mac device. In Safari, type Google Chrome on the search bar. Click the first option, which will lead you to the download page of the Chrome browser. In the homepage, simply click on Download Chrome. If a pop-up notification appears, click on Allow. Once the download is complete, select the installation file. Drag the Chrome installer to the application folder to start the installation. Hit Command Space Bar, and on the next screen, search for Chrome. Here, you will see the Chrome icon at the bottom of the screen. It's that simple. Hope the video helped. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.